Know that in a long-term grid-down scenario, access to clean drinking water could be the difference between life and death? I tested the Big Berkey Water Filter for 30 days to see if it's truly the best gravity filter for preppers like us. Hey, I'm with Carrington Crisis, where we test gear for real-world grid-down scenarios. Today we're diving deep into the Big Berkey Water Filter, a popular name in the prepper community. After testing over 50 gravity filters and water purification systems, we've learned what really works when the power's out and clean water is scarce. In this video, you'll learn how the Big Berkey performs in terms of filtration, durability, ease of use, and overall value. I'll also share my verdict on whether it's worth investing in for your emergency stash. Right out of the box, the Big Berkey impresses with its solid stainless steel build and classic design. Inside, you get the upper and lower chambers, 2 black Berkey purification elements, spigot, wing nuts, and cleaning accessories. It weighs about 6.5 pounds empty, sturdy but still portable enough for bug-out bags or base camps. The filter elements themselves feel robust and well-made. My first impression was that this unit is built to last, with quality that feels like it can handle frequent use and rough conditions. The Big Berkey's key specs include a filtration capacity of about 3.25 gallons per cycle, with each filter element capable of purifying up to 3,000 gallons before replacement. It removes bacteria, viruses, heavy metals, pesticides, and even pharmaceuticals. The gravity-fed system means no electricity or pumps are needed. Just fill the upper chamber and let gravity do the work. Compared to competitors, the Big Berkey stands out for its highly effective black Berkey purification elements, which filter more contaminants than most standard ceramic filters. While it's not specifically EMP rated, its all-metal construction and manual operation make it highly reliable in grid-down situations. First, we tested the Big Berkey's filtration capacity using various water sources: tap water, pond water, and muddy creek water. After filtration, independent lab tests showed a 99.9999% reduction in bacteria and viruses and significant removal of heavy metals like lead and mercury. Next, we evaluated durability by exposing the unit to cold weather and repeated transport. The stainless steel held up without dents or corrosion, and the filters continued working without clogging for 30 days of daily use. Finally, in a real-world scenario, I used the Big Berkey exclusively for drinking water for a full month. It was easy to fill, cleaned simply, and provided a reliable supply of clean water even when water sources were questionable. Compared to other gravity filters I've tested, the Big Berkey consistently outperformed in speed and water clarity, though it's a bit heavier than some plastic units. Pros. First, the Big Berkey offers exceptional filtration that covers viruses, bacteria, and chemicals, making it a true all-in-one solution. Second, its stainless steel construction is durable and corrosion-resistant. Third, it requires no electricity or batteries, perfect for long-term grid-down. Fourth, the filters have a long lifespan, reducing replacement frequency. Lastly, it's easy to use and clean, even for beginners. On the downside, it's heavier and less portable than some plastic gravity filters, which may be a concern for bug-out bag users. Also, it's a bit more expensive up front compared to basic filters. Finally, the filter elements need periodic cleaning to maintain flow rate, which adds a bit of maintenance. So who should buy the Big Berkey? If you're looking for a reliable, high-capacity water filter for your home or bug-out location that can handle a wide range of contaminants, this is an excellent choice. It's especially well-suited for preppers focused on long-term survival without power. However, if you need a lightweight, ultra-portable filter for hiking or short-term use, you might want to consider smaller, lighter alternatives. Overall, given its performance and durability, the Big Berkey offers solid value for serious preppers who prioritize safe water access in any scenario. Thanks for watching our Big Berkey Water Filter review. For full specs, latest pricing, and detailed test results, head over to carringtoncrisis.com. Link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more gear tests and preparedness tips, and tell us in the comments, what product should we test next? We're here to help you prep smart and stay ready.